Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. This video we will talk about the Cartesian coordinate systems. The Cartesian coordinate system has two perpendicular axes, OX and OY. In this system, the position of a point in a plane is uniquely specified by two numbers that are the Cartesian coordinates. One is the distance from the point to the y-axis, and we call this one x. And the other one is the distance of the point from the x-axis, and we call this one y. So if we have a second point B, this one will have an x2 coordinates and then y2 coordinates. If we want to calculate the distance between the 2 points while knowing the position, so x1, y1, x2, y2, we will have to compute d, that is the length of the segment AB. So by drawing parallel lines with the axis, we can construct a right triangle, and then we can use on it the Pythagoras theorem. So this will be the right triangle, and this point C has the coordinates x1 because it has the same x distance from y as A, and has the same y distance from OX as B, so it's x1, y2. Now, if we call this one B, this length B and this length C, so B and C, and apply the Pythagoras theorem, we have d square is equal b square plus c square, where B, it's y1 minus y2, and C, it's x2 minus x1. So if we plug the values of B and C into the Pythagoras theorem equation, we have d is equal y1 minus y2 square plus x2 minus x1 square. Or since x2 minus x1 square is the same as x1 minus x2 square, it's just a negative number but the same modulo, we have the square of the distance is y1 minus y2 square plus x1 minus x2 square. So to compute the square of this distance, we just are using 2 multiplication, 2 subtractions, and 1 addition. So just 5 basic arithmetic operations. Now, this is not the distance d, but the square of it. The distance d will be the square root of this one. So let's say if y1 minus y2 will be 3 and x1 minus x2 will be 4, then this one will be 9 plus 16 will be 25, so d it's 5. But if y1 minus y2 is 1 and x1 minus x2 is 3, d square will be 1 plus 9, 10. So this is not as obviously what is the value of d. In the next lesson, I will cover computing the square root of any number, for example 10, by using the same basic arithmetic operations. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere YouTube channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.